What is OpenAPI?
OpenAPI is a standard specification for describing RESTful APIs. It defines how APIs are structured and documented, making it easier for developers to understand and use APIs. OpenAPI lets you describe endpoints, request and response formats, authentication methods, and more, all in a clear, machine-readable way, usually using YAML or JSON files.
What is Swagger?
Swagger is a set of tools built to work with OpenAPI specifications. Originally, Swagger was both the name of a specification and its tools. Now, Swagger refers mainly to software like Swagger Editor, Swagger UI, and Swagger CodeGen, which help write, visualize, and generate documentation and code from OpenAPI files.
How Swagger and OpenAPI are connected?
Originally, Swagger was the name of both the API specification and the associated tools. In 2016, the specification was renamed OpenAPI, and Swagger continued as the name of the tools. So, OpenAPI is the specification, while Swagger is a popular toolkit used to interact with OpenAPI files.
Which one should you use?
If you're documenting or designing APIs, use the OpenAPI specification itself. It's the industry standard. To work with your OpenAPI docs, you can choose tools like Swagger UI for visualization or Swagger Editor for editing. Other tools also support OpenAPI, so you're not limited to Swagger, but it's one of the most widely used.
Key takeaways.
The OpenAPI is the standard for API documentation, and Swagger provides powerful tools to work with it. Use OpenAPI to define your APIs clearly and choose Swagger or other tools to help you build, document, and consume APIs more efficiently.